Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and update your preferences for Google Slides. So preferences are basically behaviors that Google Slides will engage in whenever certain circumstances arise. Normally, this would just be whatever the default preferences are, and so Google Slides will just do whatever it's programmed to do under those circumstances, but you can actually control a lot of that behavior based on your own preferences. So if Google Slides does something and you're not really sure you like it, and you're like, I'd really like it if it did this other behavior instead, you might be able to find that under Tools and then Preferences. There's a bunch of general preferences that you can use. Do you want to automatically capitalize words? That's context specific, so it will sense if it should be capitalized, like if it's the first letter of a sentence or something, whatever. Use smart quotes, automatically detect links, lists, and so on. Or you can even suggest different substitutions. So in this one, the parentheses C automatically updates to the copyright symbol. Parentheses R updates to, I think that's the registered trademark symbol, and things like that. So you can maybe create some shorthand for how your typing will appear in your slide decks. And if you don't like them, you can change them, or you can just unclick it. So you can take a lot of control over the default behavior that Google Slides will perform in these sort of strange circumstances that pop up, but you might not really recognize that they're popping up. But it is nice that they allow you to change that.